Students, we have already completed 2 of the classes on the chapter Clothes We Wear from your EVS book, that is chapter number 19. There we have learned that why people need to wear clothes and what are the different steps to prepare a complete cloth. The different kinds of tie and dye, different kinds of patterns or different kinds of printing method, these things, etc. Then we have learned, depending on the climate condition and depending upon the weather, religion, customs and tradition, people of around the world wear different kinds of clothes. If it is a cold region, they wear one type of clothes. If it is a hot area, then they wear another kinds of clothes. Then only we are going to learn that which kind of clothes mainly worn by the people of India. Mainly in India, from the very beginning, people are practiced to wear the unstitched clothes. Wear unstitched clothes like sari, dhoti, dupatta, turban. These are unstitched clothes. That means they are not prepared by thread and needle or another machines. Okay. So India has a rich traditions of wearing unstitched clothes. What are the unstitched clothes? First, the sari. This type of unstitched clothes has given here. What is sari? Sari is a long unstitched clothes worn by women. See, different kinds of ways or different ways by which the Indian women wore the different kinds of saris. This is the way by which Bengali women wear sari. This is the way Maharashtrian women from Maharashtra wear in this manner. This is from Gujarat, but all are sari. Delhi women wear in this way. Okay. So in India, though it is a single country, but in different states, women wear the sari in different ways. Then the topic has come, that is dupatta. What is dupatta? Dupatta is another kind of unstitched clothes, but it is shorter than a shari. It is basically used to it salwar kameez or another dresses. It is some places it is called chunri, some places it is called onri, then some places it is called chunri, some places it is called dupatta. It is worn by women in different styles. You can see the styles also has given. Suppose in Assam with mekla, they wear such kind of things, that is called here chadar. In Punjab, the women use dupatta in this manner. Next, the thing has given, that is another kind of unstitched cloth, that is called turban. What is turban? A turban is a long cloth worn over the head by men. This headgear is worn in different styles in different parts of the country. See, the pictures has given in which of the manner the turban has been used by the men of India. Okay. Turn your page. What the kinds of clothes has given here? Let's see. These are all in the group of unstitched clothes. Next comes dhoti. It is another kind of unstitched cloth. A dhoti, what is dhoti? A dhoti is a long unstitched cloth worn by men. It is also called, see, these are the pictures of dhoti. Same way, like dupatta, it is also called by different names in different parts of India. Suppose in Punjab, it is called as lungi. In Kerala, it is called mundu. Suppose in West Bengal, it is called as dhoti. Okay, but all the materials are same. These are all long unstitched clothes that is worn by men. Next is shawl. What is shawl? A shawl is an unstitched clothes worn by men and women to keep warm in winter. So I hope this thing is very common to you. So these are the pictures of shawl. So in this chapter, and you have to remember that in Kashmir, such one kind of shawl is very much popular, that is called Pashmina shawl. Okay. This is made by the wool of a particular kind of sheep, which sheeps are known as pashmina. That's why this is very much costly and so very much popular around the world. So this chapter is up to this. Let's recap the things what we have learned in this chapter. We have learned first why do you need to wear clothes. Then we have learned that fabric can be made by weaving and knitting. Then we have learned what is tie and dye process and patterns also. Then we have learned depending on the customs, traditions or the regions, hot or cold, the people wear different kinds of clothes. Then we have learned what are the unstitched clothes that is worn by men and women of India. So I hope you have understood the chapter by 3 of the video classes. It is your task now. You have to read the chapter repeatedly, then only you can grab the knowledge from this chapter. And also which of the study material I am sending to you, you must have to learn those things. Okay, so keep learning those things and be ready for your upcoming annual exam. So thank you so much for today. Bye bye.